Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to see your Google account activity history on PC or laptop. If you're using any PC or any laptop and you want to see or check your Google account activity history, so let's see how can you do that. You just have to simply open your browser. In my case, I'm going to open my Chrome here and here just select the account of which you want to check history or activity history. So I've selected. Here just click on this profile option here and then click on manage your Google account. Now on this page you might see the option of my activity. Just click on my activity or you can directly search for my activity or on the activity from here. Just click on this option here and here you might see all the activity you have done using Google account, or you might see everything you have done using your Google account. So if you want to delete this, you can also try to delete. Just click on this delete option and you can select delete option of your last hour, last day, or all the time. If you want to delete your account history or account activity all the time, just select this option here and just select all the services and then click next and then click delete. So once you have done, it will delete all of your activity history from your Google account. So in this way, you can easily see your Google activity or activity history on your PC or laptop. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.